Let's have some gold horror fun, shall we? All right. How about this one? I think you all know what this one is. Calgary Flames? Yeah. Okay, how about this one? Yep, Red Wings. We know this one. New York Rangers. Let's do the Blackhawks, shall we? Like this. Let's see what the Flyers do like that. It goes like this. Yeah. Alright. How about Florida Panthers? Yeah. How about St. Louis Blues like this? Yeah, there we go. Sharks. Anaheim Ducks. How about the newest one? Seattle Kraken. Yeah. Two teams when you think of this one. Avalanche and Golden Knights. Yeah, when you think of this. I mean, two teams when you think of this one. No, no. Oilers. When you think of this. Canucks. I remember when the Canucks had this horn. I like that older one they had that. Especially to hear Jim. Remember when Jim Hughes said, "You scored! Beauty!" Yeah. Oh, yeah. What have I left out? Oh, how about the Minnesota Wild? Wild go like this, actually. Yeah, it's more, there's more pronounced and it's more sharper than the Panthers, actually. Yeah. Who have I left out? Oh. This is going to be Sabres and probably the Predators and mix. Like, they're pretty much the same like that. Yep.
Okay, that's a brag.
Hey, Mom, I got a coffee back.
Carolina Hurricane. Islanders. Yeah. Kings. Yep.
It's official, America.
Winnipeg Jets. All right, that's enough goal horror fun.